With an aim to train prison inmates in specific sports, Parivartan-Prison to Pride, an initiative of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, was launched on Monday in Shillong along with several other prisons across different states of the country. The program was launched by Shrikant Madhav Vaidya, Chairman IOC, and M. Kharkrang, IG Prison. Talking to reporters, Kharkrang said around 70 to 75 inmates will benefit from the training. There will be coaches to train the inmates. The program will facilitate training in badminton, volleyball, chess, tennis and carom across jails in the country to help improve the physical and mental well-being of the inmates.
Right now, as far as I know, they will be starting with coaching of carom board and volleyball. But we have left it to the inmates themselves because, the thing is, we really don't want to insist on them and we want to make it as a choice. I mean, if any one of them wants to be a coach in these the sports activities, we will take them in. And right now, probably we are looking around about 70 to 75 of them at the first phase.